Welcome to Legal Freelancing channel. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel.
To commence today's lecture, I would like to draw your attention to our previous lecture. During our last meeting, I provided a summary of our course. In today's lecture, we will delve into the topic, what is legal freelancing? It is a career path that allows lawyers to work, with flexibility in terms of work hours, location, and type of work they undertake. As a legal freelancer, you would have the opportunity to work on a wide range of legal projects, from providing legal research and drafting legal documents to contract review and negotiation, as well as corporate policies, legal web policies, e-commerce litigation, company registration and other legal services as required by clients. You would have the freedom to choose the type of projects you work on, the clients you work with, and the fees you charge.
There are several benefits to legal freelancing, including increased earning potential. Legal freelancers can set their own rates and negotiate fees with clients, potentially earning more than they would in a traditional legal job. Diverse experience, independence, networking opportunities, reduced overhead costs. Overall, legal freelancing can provide a flexible, lucrative, and rewarding career path for legal professionals who value independence and a diverse range of experiences.
Stay with us to explore legal freelance opportunities. Thanks.